I invite you to look around and think on how everything on your surroundings involves math in some way. I am Martín del Gordo, and today I'll talk to you about my graduation project. For me, math is not just about adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. Personally, I think it is the perfect space where everyone can learn and improve in different aspects of life, from telling up what time it is up to making you a better cook. As I mentioned before, it is present in nearly every aspect of our daily routine. This is why I find it as such a fundamental skill, and I'm grateful to be passionate about it. However, this is not the case of many people. It makes them feel stressed, overwhelmed, and simply can't understand it. Reason why my graduation project focuses on trying to show them how simple and useful math can be. As human beings, when we finally understand something, we are motivated to push ourselves one step further. Think about your feelings when finally completing a puzzle. It makes you feel satisfied and want to try a harder one. This is why I wanted to take advantage of my knowledge in math and the fact that I like to teach to create tutoring sessions in which students from 11th and 12th grade could choose any topic they wanted to learn or get better at. With this, I wanted them to see that math is not as complicated as it could seem and boost the confidence they had in themselves regarding this subject. The first step was to send a survey to both grades to see who needed our tutorings. Thankfully, more people than what we expected listed up for them, showing us that our project was going to be useful. Here is when we had to do the first big change of our project, because we thought on doing one-on-one tutorings, but since many people listed up, we had to separate students into groups of 3 and 4. In March, we saw quarantine as an opportunity to shift the focus of our project. Since we already helped students who struggled at math, we now wanted to work with students who succeeded at math and wanted to go beyond what you can learn in a normal school class. In order to do this, we scheduled Google meetings in which we discussed how current situations are related to math. For example, we took COVID-19 spread charts and described them using mathematical functions. These meetings thankfully worked pretty well because all participants were interested and involved in the discussion. I define success as our ability to achieve something we worked on, learning from any obstacle we encountered. In the case of my graduation project, I am very happy with it and consider it successful because of all the effort I made, the people I got to help, and every lesson I learned from it. All of this process is going to help me in university in both an academic and in a personal way. Academically, it made me have to master each topic I wanted to teach in the tutorings, as well as showing me ways math can be applied to the real world in the Google meetings. As a person, it helped me increase my resilience by forcing me to adapt depending on the situation of my project. For example, when I took advantage of quarantine and the Google Meet platform in order to expand my project to more people. What I liked the most about my project is that it helped me discover my passion for math, as well as showing me my strengths, weaknesses, and who I really am as a person. Thank you very much.